Hi guys, I'm going to show you the fidgets I got, and I got new ones today, so I'm going to show you the ones I have and the new ones today. This is the one I have, this one, this puppet, another puppet, the old one, the unicorn puppet, this one, and this one. I'm going to show you all the new ones I got. I got this one. This is the new one I got. It's neon beads and squishy. So this is the new one I got. This is the one I didn't open yet. I'll open it. These are the new ones I got. So the magnets, that's the one I got. I got this. This is the new one I got. This is the new one I got. This is the one. This one. It's really cool. It's really cool. And so this is the new one. I got this one as well. This is the one that was not opened. I got this one as well. You're gonna take them apart. It's really cool. I got this one. You open it up. So this one I got. Really cool. This is the old one I have as well. And this is another one. Really cool. Opens like this, and it's really cool. So yeah, it's really cool. So that's the new fidgets I got. So yeah, bye guys.